Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm here again, the teacher Natalia. Following, we are going to watch a video which explains why it's important to practice a sport. I hope that you enjoy it. Okay? Please watch the video, listen, pay attention, and take notes. And if you have any doubt, you can write it and we can resolve in the next class. Please, you can watch it as many times as you want. Please go to the link if in there you can watch it because here I cannot play it. And that's all for all. Bye guys.